After the thigh stretch variations, we take the bar down and we take the springs down to 1 spring. From here, we're going on to arm circles, so the headpiece can be up. The feet step onto the carriage right in front of the shoulder blocks with the toes stretching as deeply as possible to get the feet against the blocks. The hands circle up and open around, keeping the arms in front of the body for 3 repetitions. And then we'll reverse the circle to go the other way. This way is more difficult. We open first and go up and then circle down. Open and then circle down. And one more time, open, lift the powerhouse to lift the arms, and then we come down. We can move on from here for more variations like the shaving. The arms go up over the head and they press out and bend and press out and bend. The thumbs and fingers make a diamond shape there. And then we can also add on bicep curls. The arms come forward first, up into a 90-degree angle, they press out and they come down. A simpler version of this would just be to bicep curl with the arms right by the sides, keeping the powerhouse in and up so everything is strong as we bend and stretch the arms.